We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 1 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. We just increase its size, change its color so it must be visible to everyone. We will discuss this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have, it's quite big assignment. We have 19, 20, we have 23 points, and 24 one is a non-graded one in which we have to simply save and close and submit the file. So we have 23 points in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Today assignment name is Exp22 Excel chapter 01 ML1Rentals, and here is project description. We will increase its size so it must be visible. So you manage a beach guest house in FT site containing 3 types of rental units. Price are based on peak and off-peak time of the year. So you need to calculate the maximum daily revenue for each rental type, assuming all units are rented. In addition, you need to calculate the discount rate for off-peak or rental times. Finally, you will improve appearance of worksheet by applying font alignment and number format. So that was simply description about the project, that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one, and in last what will our family outcome. Okay, so that we have to read project description before going to solve this assignment step by step. So now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So start Excel and then download and open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML1 rental. Okay, then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, so we have already downloaded that file from Pearson. We have to open, we call that a solution file. Okay. It is just getting opening. So first part is done. Now we are moving toward next part. You want to format the main title to have consistent appearance to other documents and a spreadsheet. Okay, so that was simply instruction about question number 2. Our main part of question number 2 is start from here. Applying heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. Where is A1? Here is A1, A1 to G1. We have to apply heading 1 cell style. Cell style, heading 1 cell style. Okay. So question number 1 is done and we have earned 3 marks from there. Okay. In question number 1, we just applying heading 1 cell style in the range E1 to G1. Now we are moving to our next part. Question number 3. You want to apply similar complementary style to the date which is below the main title. Okay, so there we have to apply 20% ES1 cell style to the range A2 to G2. Where is A2 to G2? We have to apply there what 20% ES1 cell style. Select this one, then there is cell style 20% ES1 cell style, this one. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to apply 20% ES1 cell style to cell E2 to G2. After solving that one, we have earned 3 marks from this question. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The peak rental heading is centered over related data in column C and D. You want the off-peak rentals headings to be centered over its related data. And that was simply instruction about question number 4. Our main part of question number 4 is start from here. Merge and center off-peak rental in the range E4 to G4. Now we have to select E4 to G4. Where is E4? Sorry, E4 to G4. We have select. Now we have to apply margin center there. Yes. So question number 4 is done and we have earned from question number 4 3 marks. In question number 4, we have to apply margin center of peak rental in the range E4 to G4. We have done that one, okay? Question number 4 is done. To help other people know that of people rentals heading is related to 3 columns of data. You want to apply fill color to that headings. You will choose a different color. Distinguish these data columns from fill color used for peak rental headings. So that was simply instruction about question number 4. Question number 5. We have to read that one. Our main part of question number 5 will start from here. Apply blue fill color, the 8th color below standard color, okay, and white background 1 font color to cell E4, okay. So now we have to apply white background 1 font color. We have to apply blue fill color. First we have to select E4. Yeah, E4. Now we have to find fill color, and which fill color we have to apply? We have to apply blue fill color. So open this one and find where is blue fill color. No. Yes. Then white background 1 font color. White background 1 font color. This is font color. White background 1. Yes. So question number 5 is done and we have earned from question number 5. How many marks we have earned? We have earned 3.4 marks. In question number 5, we just simply apply blue fill color, that is 8th color below the standard color, and white background 1 font color to cell E4. So after solving question number 5, we get this result, okay. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Three headings: maximum revenue, and discount rate do not fully display on 5th row. Instead of widening the columns, you want to wrap the headings within their respective cells. So this will enable you to maintain the column width appreciate for the data below the headings. Okay, so that was simply instruction about question number 6. Main part is start from here, that center and wrap the headings on a row 5. Where is row 5? Here is row 5. First we have to select this row, or we select all the headings. Then first we have to make them center, then make them a wrap. There is a wrap option. Okay, so question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, we have earned 5.6 marks from this question. In question number 6, we just simply center and wrap the headings on row 5, and we have done, and we get this result. Okay, center and wrap. Question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The headings in D5 and F5 wrap within the words because the columns are too narrow. So you will widen those column and center the number of units below its column heading. Okay, set the width of column D and F to 10. Okay, so now first we have to select column D, right click, column width, and what width we have to apply? We have to apply there 10. Simply press enter, then select F, right click, column width, and give right there 10. Okay, select the range B6 to B8 and horizontally center. Now select B6 to B8, horizontally center. Okay, then horizontally center the data. Yes, we have done. Now we have earned 6 marks from there. So in question number 7, we just simply set the width of column D and F to 10, then select the range B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. We have applied, and we get this result from here. So question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. On the rental types is missing from a list. So you want to insert a row after the studio, apartment, a row, and entering missing rental type. So insert a row above one bedroom suite. Where is one bedroom suite? Here. So we have to insert a row above there. Right click there and insert. So row will be created above there. Then in cell E7 we have to type Ocean View Studio. Then in cell B7 we have to type 4. Then in cell C7 we have to type 275. Then cell E7 we have to type 200. Okay, now step by step we will type. We just copy this one from here, then move towards cell E7 here and paste that one. Okay, simply press tab to move to our next cell. Then in cell B7 we have to type 4 there, then press tab, move next cell, then type 275, then E7 200, E7 200, and press enter. So question number 8 is done. After solving question number 8, we have earned 4 marks from question number 8. In question number 8, we have to insert a row above the one bedroom suite. A row, okay, in cell E7, after creating a row, then in cell E7 we have to type Ocean View Studio. Then in cell B7 we have to type 4. Then in cell C7 we have to type 275. Then in cell E7 we have to type 200. So question number 8 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 9. In question number 9, you want to change seat to apartment in the list. So find occurrence of suite and replace them occurrence of apartment. Okay, so after solving question number 9, we will earn 5 marks. Then in question number 10, you are ready to calculate the peak or rental maximum revenue that can earn. The maximum revenue is total revenue of if all rental unit are rented. Okay, so in a cell D6 we have to enter formula that calculate peak rental maximum revenue. So after solving question number 10 we will earn 4 marks. So same way we will solve other part step by step. So in today's video we have discussed almost 50% assignment. The name of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. In start we just discuss project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2, in which we have to apply heading 1 a cell style to the range E1 to G1. Then move toward question number 3 where we have to apply 20% ESN1 cell style to the range A2 to G2. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to apply margin center off peak rentals in the range E4 to G4. And then we move toward question number 5 where we have to apply blue fill color, that is in 8th color below standard color, and white background one font color to cell E4. Then in question number 6 we have to apply center and wrap the headings on row 5. Then question number 7 we have to set the width of column D and F to 10 and select the range B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. Same way we have solved question number 8, 9 and 10. So almost half of assignment is done from my side. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, on my given email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may easily contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. So remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Marks will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, so you can get good grade. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. That name is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.